Thanks FlexSeal for sponsoring this video and powering our science mission. Hi, I'm Mark from Team Dominator. In the last video, I showed you how I took a piece of wood, put a grid pattern on it, covered it in FlexSeal liquid, and made a testing platform for our upcoming hail research project. Now we're going to do some testing. I've purchased a number of moulds to make hail proxies. This is the mould for 2.6 inch Gorilla Hail. .2 inch, 1.7 inch, conical shaped, 2.6 inch gorilla. That's a lot of damage. Thank you for watching. Flex on.